Dear students, this lesson, fifth lesson for quadratic equations. What we did previous lesson or before lesson, we factorize, by using factorization we solved quadratic equations, and then later we studied a little on completing the square form. We solved some past paper questions about that. Okay, here we are going to continue completing the square form. By using this information, we are going to solve quadratic equations. Okay, have a look. First question here. What says solve by completing square form and leave your answer in sort form. Okay, what is sort form? Sort form is square root, cube root, fourth root. We need to use as a sort form. Okay, we need to leave. Okay, here have a look. First question. What we did before, dear students? Here, which term square x squared? X, right? Huh? Multiply by 2x. Divide middle term by 2x, which is 10x over 2x is 5. But we need to have 5 square, right? 5 square. 5 square, which is 25. I am going to add, at the same time I am going to subtract. Who, which, or 25, right? 10x, I am adding here, dear students. You are right now better, I think, about operations, huh? Negative 25 plus 5 equals 0. First three terms is here, x plus 5 square, 5 square, negative 20 equals 0. If I move negative 20 right hand side, what we can have? X plus 5 square is 20. Here, which number square is 20? We have two options, right? First one is x plus 5 square root of 20, or x plus 5 negative square root of 20, right? Here, if I find x, what is x? Negative 5 positive square root 20. Here x is negative 5 negative square root of 20. Okay? Instead of 20, maybe we can move one step. Instead of 20 we can write, what we can write? 2 square root of 5. Here, negative 5 negative 2 square root of 5. Okay? Did you understand? When you look at those solutions here, I want to here make this better. Here, 2. Okay, when you look at those solutions here, what is the differences between those two different solutions? Look at this here. Just difference between middle sign, right? One of them is positive, another one negative. This kind of number or expression we are calling conjugate. Every time, dear students, you need to find conjugate. If you can't find the conjugate, it means that you are doing something wrong. What you need to do, you need to check your solutions, right? Got it? Alright? I hope. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Again, we will do same thing. What we did before, which term square x square is x, multiply by 2x, divide middle term by 2x, which is negative 2. What I need to have? Negative 2 square. I'm going to move one step, which is 4. I need to add 4 and at the same time subtract, negative 7. Don't forget to write negative 7, please. First three terms is x negative 2 square, x negative 2 square, negative 11 equals 0. If I move 11 right hand side, x negative 2 square is 11. So if I take the square root both sides, or which number square is 11, we have two different options, right? One of them is x negative 2 square root 11. Another option is x negative 2 negative square root 11. Got it? Here, if we find x value, x is move negative 2 becomes positive 2 plus square root 11. Here, x is 2 negative square root of 11. Got it? What we found again, look at them. Just what is the differences between those? Middle sign is different, right? Middle sign is different. You should find every time like this, which is conjugate. Got it? Alright? Okay, dear students. I think time is to pause me. How do you feel? I recommend here, which term square is 9x squared, which is 3x, right? 3x. If I multiply 3x by 2, 6x. I am dividing 42 by 6x, which is 7. What I need to have? 49, which is 7 square, right? And then I am adding here 9x squared, 42x, 49, negative 49, don't forget subtract, negative 33 is 0. First 3 terms is 3x positive 7 square, right? Here 3x plus 7 square. Here 7 to 82, right? 82, right. Okay, if I move 82 right hand side, 3x plus 7 square is 82. Which number square is 82? We have two options, right? What is first one? First one is 3x plus 7 equals square root 82. Another options here I'm going to write 3x. I hope space will be enough for us. Okay, have a look. And then if I find x value here 3x, move 7 right hand side becomes negative 7. Okay, 82. If we divide both sides by 3, x is negative 7 square root 82 over 3. Agree? Huh? How's going? Yes, here 3x, negative 7, negative 82. If we divide both sides by 3, negative 7, negative square root 82 over 3. Got it? I hope you understood. Okay. It's not hard, huh? How do you feel? One more question again. Here. Which term square is 4x squared, which is 2x, right? Huh? If I multiply 2, 4x, divide middle term by 4x, which is 1. We need to have 1 square, which is 1. We don't have, for this reason, I am adding and subtracting at the same time. What was it? I mix up, let's come back here. Here, 4x squared, right? 4x, positive 1, negative 7, equals 0. Here, first 3 terms is 2x plus 1, first term 2x, second term 1, here square, negative 8. If I move negative 8 right hand side, 2x plus 1 square is 8. Got it? If which number square is 8, we have two different options. First one is 2x plus 1 positive square root 8, which is 2 square root 2, right? If you don't go that in this part, just use calculator. Okay, here. Another option is 2x plus 1 negative square root of, which is negative 2 square root of 2. Got it? Here, we need to find x value. X is here, move 1 right hand side, negative 1, positive 2 square root of 2, 2x here. If we divide both sides by 2x is negative 1 plus 2 square root of 2 over 2. I'm going to write directly because I know next one is conjugate, which is like this. if you like, you can continue. You will find same result. Huh? Got it? I hope. Okay. By using completing square form, we found roots of quadratic equation. Got it? Okay, dear students. Here, the quadratic formula, you used the quadratic formula when you were 10th grade. Okay? I'm going to find quadratic formula, but you don't need to memorize and you don't need to know. However, if you like maths deeply, maybe it's a good idea, huh? It's not hard, just listen to me carefully. Here, what is general expression for quadratic equation? Ax squared plus bx plus c, huh? Can I divide all the terms here by a? If I divide all the terms by a, let's do here. Okay. Then what we can have here, x squared, this is x squared, b over a x plus c over, this is c, dear students, is 0. Okay, what we did until now, I'm going to revise it, repeat it. Here, which term squared? X squared, x, okay, multiply by 2, 2x, divide middle term by 2x, huh? When you do this, gone, b over 2a. What I need to have, b over 2a squared, which is, if you can distribute this 2, b squared over 2a squared is 2a times 2a, which is 4a squared. Got it? What I am going to do this, I am going to add and subtract at the same time. Huh? Here, x squared plus b over a x. Here, b squared over 4a squared negative b squared over 4a squared plus, this is squared, c over a is 0. Okay, here. First three terms is, first term here, second term here, which is x plus b over 2a squared. Can I move all the term right hand side here, I mean rest of them, b squared over 4a squared, here c over a. To make denominator right hand side equal, I'm going to multiply this one 4a, and then x plus b over 2a squared. Here, at the same time, I'm going to write common denominator, which is 4a squared, 4ac over 4a squared. Got it? Here, x plus b over 2a could be positive, negative, square root b squared 4ac over 4a squared. Got it? Look at this here. Did you see? If I take the square, we get positive and negative. Huh? Here, then I'm going to move this right hand side because we will find x value, negative b over 2a. You can distribute square root to numerator and denominator. If you do this, b squared 4ac negative here over square root of 4a squared, which is 2a. Got it? What we have right now, we got it, this formula. You don't need to this formula memorize, dear students. This formula is given on the formula paper. Okay? Here, look at this. You can, first one, you will find two different roots. First one you will take positive, second one or opposite. You can do. Other one is best expression should be negative. Okay? This is the quadratic formula. Did you remember? I hope. Right now, we are going to solve quadratic equations by using quadratic formula. Okay? Before we solve this, here inside the square root, this one we call discriminant. Okay? We call discriminant. if I say discriminant, which is, it means that b square negative 4ac. Okay, dear students, here, solve using quadratic formula, give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Let's do it together first, then you can continue. I mean, you can pause me. A is here 1, B is here 5, C is negative 5. Got it? Here. What is discriminant here? B square negative 4ac here. What is B? 5 square negative 4 times 1 times. If you have negative number, please write in the brackets, not to make any mistake. Okay, here 25 plus 20, which is 45, right? Okay, x1 negative b negative 5 positive negative 45 over 2 times 1, which is 2. So you can find here x is negative 5 square root of 45 over 2. Another x value is negative 5 negative square root of 45 over 2. Until this step, you are going to use calculator, and when you use calculator, you need to find here, this is 5, dear students. Here, first one should be 0.85, right? Second one is negative 5.85. Okay, you're sure you need to be good at using calculator, dear students. Got it? I hope. Okay, have a look next question. Here, next question. Again, would you like to pause me? Should I think? Okay, I'm doing again here. A is 2. B is negative 3. C is negative 7. Agree? Okay. Discriminant is b square 4ac. Negative 3 square, negative 4 times 2 times negative 7, 9 here, 8, 56, I think positive, here, 65, huh? Yeah, 65. Okay, what is x value here? X is negative b, which is 3, positive 3, negative positive square root of 65, 2 times 2, which is 4. So, first x value, first root of 3 plus square root of 65 over, what's going on? Okay, let me correct this, I mean change, not wrong writing. 65 over, where is it? 4, right? The other one is x is 3 negative 65 over 4. Until this step, you need to use calculator. If you use calculator, you need to find the first one is 2.77. If you round to two decimal places. Here, second one negative 2. Negative 1.27. Got it? Alright? Okay, dear students. Another question. One more, huh? How do you feel? I hope you are learning, dear students. This is 3, right? B is 2, C is here. B square A, negative 4AC. Let's do this. What is B? 2 square, 4 times 3 times negative 6. Okay, here is 4. Here 72, 12, 6, 72, which is 76, right? Okay. X value, negative b, negative 2, positive negative square root 76, 2 times 3, which is 6, okay? First value is here, second one is here. What is first value, dear students? X is negative 2 plus square root, oh my god, my board is so sensitive. Here, Anyway, we change here 76 over, what was it, 6. Another one is x negative 76 over 6. If you use the calculator in this point, you need to find, what is it? First one should be 1.12, second one should be negative 1.79 if you round it. Got it? I hope. Okay. A rectangle has side of length x centimeter and 2x negative 3 centimeter. The area of rectangle is 26 centimeters square. Find the value of x correct to two significant figures. Okay, two significant figures. Here, dear students, if we sketch here a rectangle, then here is x, 2x negative 3 here. What is area? Is x times 2x negative 3, 26. What we can do next step, obviously we need to expand brackets, right? 2x squared negative 3x negative 26 is 0. What is a here? A is here 2, b is here negative 3, c is negative 26. The b square negative 4ac is negative 3 square negative 2 times negative 26. If you do this operation, you will find discriminant 217. What is x value here? Negative b, 3, 2017 over 4. The other one, we don't need to find other one. How do you feel? We don't need to find other one because should be other one. I'm going to try to show you here. Okay, over 4. Here you will find less than 0. You can't represent length negative number. Okay? If you do this operation, dear students, you will find x value to significant figure, I think 4.4. Got it? All right? Okay. Next question. Also this question is nice. The equation x squared plus bx plus c has roots, solutions, negative 5 and 2. Find the value of b and value of c. Okay, dear students. If root of this equation negative 5, it means that those values satisfy this equation. What does it mean? You need to substitute those values in here. If we did this, what we can have here? Negative 5 squared, negative 5b plus 2, plus c equals 0, Got it? If you organize, I'm moving the last two terms right hand side at the same time. 5b negative c is 25. This is first, not 25. Yeah, 25. Okay. First equation, if we substitute 2 squared, 2b plus c is 0. I'm moving for right hand side. So we have two different equations. We will solve those equations simultaneously. Eliminating method is working right now. Agree? 25 here. 2b plus c is negative 4. If I add both sides, here c, we can cancel c, and then here 7b, right hand side 21. If we divide both sides, b is 3, right? 21 over 7 is 3. I'm going to substitute this into the second equation. However, you can substitute first one if you want, but logical one, best one, second one, because more simple. Here 6 plus c is negative 4. if you make the C subject negative 10, right? So, alright, got it? Okay, have a look next one. Right now, your turn. You need to pause me. Okay. Have a look, your solution is right or wrong. Okay, if I substitute here negative 3, 9, negative 3b plus c is 0. I'm moving right, left, last two terms right hand side. 3b negative c is 9. Okay? Then I'm going to substitute negative 4, 16, negative 4b plus c is 0. Negative 4b plus c is negative 16. I'm going to solve those two equations simultaneously. 3b negative c is 9. Here, negative 4b plus c is negative 16. If I add both sides, c is gone. Negative b, negative 7. Yeah. If we multiply both sides by negative 1 or negative b is 7. Okay? I'm going to substitute b into, okay, this one. Huh? B. No, that one. I prefer. Actually, it doesn't matter too much. Okay, negative 28 plus c is negative 16. Move negative 28 right hand side. 28 negative 16, which is 12. Anyway, dear students, we came end of the fifth lesson. Fifth lesson. Okay, I hope again you enjoyed my lesson. You need to revise, you need to solve more questions, you need to take care of yourself, and see you next lesson.